Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the AREC media capture system, specifically talking about the healthcare industry. So what's the AREC media capture system? It's a series of hardware that will allow you to record, stream, and back up your content. During this whole presentation, I'm going to be using different products so you can see how they work. Let me change this a little bit so we can start with the presentation. With our stations, you can customize how you're going to show your content. I will explain this in detail later on, but for now, let's continue with the presentation. I'm going to give you a couple of scenarios of where you can use our products. The first one will be a surgery room. Right now, it's crucial for institutions to have the recording of everything that is happening inside the surgery room. Not only for them to have evidence that this procedure was done properly, but also for them to share later on this content maybe with the patient or internally with members of the institution for learning purposes. And speaking about learning, well, we can be in simulation centers. You can record, stream, even monitor everything that is happening in these centers for the institution later on to share with the students, the teaching team, and they can have all these in different platforms because our station can back up the content in different ways. Now, we also have a product that is specifically designed for you to create this telemedicine solution. Basically, you can bring doctors anywhere, creating a point-to-point communication in between the patient and the doctor. All of these scenarios with the objective of bringing this content everywhere and anywhere. And when I mention everywhere, well, you can see there different scenarios where you can use our products. When we speak about healthcare, of course, we think about hospital, clinics, but with our products, you can cover way more. You can go with dentists, like veterinary, and different scenarios that you can see in my presentation. Now that I cover these scenarios and that you have them in mind, let me continue with the presentation and let me show you the different products we have and how you can use them in specific scenarios. Now I can perform a different change in the layout just for me to show you how easy it is to jump in between the scenarios I've created for this video. And speaking of that, the product I'm using is the media station. It's the core of our solution because this is the product that is allowing me to record, stream, and back up my content. What is the media station? What's the purpose of it? Well, the main purpose of my media station is to create content in a professional way. To create content in a professional way and also being really easy to configure without the need of any programming. In less than 5 minutes, maybe you can start already to record, stream, and back up your content. So, what is the media station? The media station is a combination of multiple AV products such as encoder, decoder, video mixer. Also, the storage part can be done directly into my station, and of course perform the three main actions that are the recording, the streaming, and the backup of this content. Now, let me show you a typical installation of the media station, and it's basically what I'm doing right now. How to connect different video sources or audio sources into my station. You can do it through HDMI, USB, through network. We work also with different protocols such as NDI, or we have Dante license for audio. So you have multiple ways in which you can connect video and audio to my station. Then we have an HDMI out. So you are not only sharing your content by recording it or by creating a stream, you can also share it to your local audience. So our station is perfect for a hybrid, on-site, or completely online event. Now, HDMI out, you can send it to a touchscreen, interactive screen, to a projector, and also having this ability for you to record and stream the content. The streaming part. You can stream up to 2 different platforms simultaneously. We use the main streaming protocol, so you can send it to Facebook, YouTube, even put it maybe in your own portal or own streaming platform. So it is possible with our station. Now, let me give me some reasons for you to use the media station. The first one Well, is how you can customize everything. Now I'm gonna go a little bit in detail in how you can create your own design. First, we're gonna have the overlay. In this case, is the logo of my company that is right there in the corner. That is ADENA. Then we have the layout. Our stations can have from 1 to 4 different video sources, stream it, record them simultaneously. Right now, let me show you how it will look with 4 different video sources at the same time, or maybe with 3 video sources will be more convenient for me to continue with this presentation. Now, the background. We can also change the background directly from my station, and for the background, layout, overlay, everything can be created by you. So it's really easy and convenient for you to have different scenarios so you can just access them and change in between them. Like now that I'm just showing one video source, that in this case is my presentation, keeping the background, overlay, and well, this translated to the healthcare industry. You can be showing an X-ray, an ultrasound, or even just a video that you want to share with your audience. Now, I'm going to talk about the different ways you can control our media station. I can really mention more than 10 ways you can control our station, but I want to target 4. The first one will be the graphical user interface. This one you can access connecting our station to a secondary display or a touchscreen through USB, or using one of our models with inbuilt touchscreen. This is quite simple. You can access main characteristics and features of production that our station can give you. You can add bookmarks and even control cameras from there. If you like more mobile devices such as tablets or cell phones, you can also use them without the need of any application. You just need to be in the same network, enter the IP address of the station, and directly you can access this mini controller. Now, for the control part, speaking about third-party products, we can have full integration with control panels through RS-232 protocol, which allows us a full automation. Speaking of automation, we have integration with multiple video content management systems such as Panopto, Kaltura, and OpenCast, or simply Google Calendar or similar calendar applications that will allow us to schedule and automate the whole process. Now, to finish with the media station, let me tell you that you can bundle this product with anything. If you want to send the content of your station directly into conference, you can also do it. Here we have some example of the brand that can work with our product. So if you are thinking of using a recording, streaming, or backup device for your solution, I think the media station will be the perfect solution for you. Now, let me tell you about the AREC ecosystem. Is all this hardware outside of the media station that can allow us to complement our solution, starting with the control station. What can you do with the control station? Basically, you can control anything in the room. Control the lighting, control the AC, control the screens, control different things, even other AV products. You can control them directly with our station. It will work in a way that it will be really easy and simple for everyone who is operating the station to control and to configure. Again, no programming needed. With a simple configuration, you can access different ways of controlling products just by using our station. Something that is special or different about this station is that this station, apart from the control part, will allow you to switch and to do a single stream. So you can also connect different cameras into this product. We also have the AREC. For this product, I will go directly into its interface because this is the product that allows us to have a point-to-point communication. So let me go for it. What's different in between the AREC and the media station is that with AREC you can create a point-to-point conversation, allowing the doctor to connect with any patient, either if they have a different AREC station, such as this device, or if they have an application on their phone or tablet. This is really easy. the doctor can also select how he's gonna show the content. Of course, you can also record this, but well, you can change in between different video sources, such as this camera that I have right here, or you can create a combination of these video sources, just like this, or, well, for this purpose of the presentation, let me just be like that. Here we have a patient that in this case will be my phone. I can just call it. You can listen how it's making this sound. I can just answer it, and it will directly start generating the conversation. Here you can see a small behind the scenes. So well, this is how you can easily create a point-to-point conversation with our station. As you can see, it will take me a whole new video to talk about every specific aspect of AREC, but I want you to know that these are the main functions and this is what makes our solution different. We also have a series of accessories that will complement our solution. We have the professional support, of course. Every time you work with AREC, you will receive all the support from our part 24/7, helping you from the presentation of the product, guiding you through the technology, the presentations, the training that is required for you to operate our systems, and the whole after-sale process as well. Now, I'm going to talk about different case studies, specifically 3 case studies that we have, just for you to see where our products are working right now. The first one will be this case study that we have in Colombia, where we are using cameras, stations, and a device that allows us to monitor different streams. You can have up to 99 streams in this device, and you can show 9 simultaneously. So not only for the streaming, recording, and backing up part, but also for the monitoring, is that AREC is taking a huge part in this project. We also have this case in Denmark, where they are using a 3-channel media station and they are connecting an ultrasound directly to it. So you can see the different ways you can connect, or the different products you can connect to our station. If it can show or send some video to our station will receive it, and of course you can create content with it. Last but not least, this is one of our latest case studies that we have in Latvia. And well, again, a simulation center where they are recording, they are using our control station. That's the interface you can see there right now. So they can control everything inside this simulation room, apart from having the recording, streaming, and backing up part of the media station. So here we have control station and media station working in one solution. Thank you very much for basically your time here. I know this is a topic that is quite extensive, it's healthcare, so it's not simple. But if you have any questions, please contact us directly at a-dena.com. You can contact us on LinkedIn. You can send me an email, jp@a-dena.com. And well, I'll be ready to assist you. Have a great day and see you in the next video.